In this video, we'll discuss a numerical of Porter governors. Let's see. So, in this numerical, let's see what all data is given. We are given the length of arms. So, all the arms are 200 mm long. The radius of rotation of the balls at maximum and minimum speed. So, radii is given for minimum, it is 160 mm, and for maximum speed it is 130 mm. The mass of sleeve and mass of balls is given. So we have to find the range of speed. By range we mean the difference between the maximum and the minimum speed. That means governor can operate in that bracket only, it cannot go beyond that. If it goes, of course it fails. So we have to find it for two conditions: when we are not considering friction and we are considering friction, and the value is given 20 Newton. So whenever you are doing any numerical, it is always advisable to write all the given data first and then proceed further. So firstly, we'll draw a simple diagram. The length of the arms, it is already given 200. Right? The radius of rotation for minimum speed, it is given 130 mm. And this is h1, which is the height of the governor. Height of the governor is what? It is the vertical distance between the axis of rotation of the balls and this point, which we generally denote by O, which is the point of intersection of the upper arms. Right? Now, the first thing that we have to calculate is h1. This is a triangle, right angle triangle. You are already given the length of the arm, the radius of rotation. We can calculate h1 by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now, in these numericals, we have introduced a term k, which is tan theta upon tan beta. Theta is what? The angle which the upper arms makes with the vertical of the sleeve. Beta is the angle which the lower arm makes with the vertical. Right? In this case, the ratio is 1 because the length of both the arms is same. There is no force of friction. This is the case without friction. So the simple formula, n square is 895 upon h, mass of ball plus mass of spindle upon mass of ball. You place the values and you get the answer. Now the most important thing while solving this question is this h. You have to make sure that when you are putting the values of h, they should be in SI system of units. If you put the value as 152 mm, you will not get the right answer. So this is to keep in mind whenever you are solving numericals, whatever values you put in the formula, they should be in one single system of units. If you do not stick to that, the answer will never come right. Okay, so the second case is with friction, right? So in this, what changes? This changes. The force of friction is not 0 and we are already given the value for friction, which is 20 Newton. Now, how does this force of friction works? The force of friction works in the direction opposite to that of the motion. So when there is minimum speed, what is happening? The balls, the spindle, it is coming downward, and the force of friction, it works upward. So it is mg minus f. You place the values, all the data is given. H we have already calculated and you get the answer, and we get the value of n for the minimum speed. Now similarly, we solve it for the maximum speed condition. The length of the arm is 200 mm. The radius of rotation is 160 mm. So we can calculate h2 by using the Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, k is 1 in this case also. Force of friction is also 0. You put the values and do not forget to convert this into meters and you get the answer for speed without friction. Now when we are talking with friction, in case of maximum speed, what happens when speed is maximum? The spindle, it moves, the sleeve moves upward, and force of friction, it acts downward in the direction of mg. So it gets added to mg. You place the values. M, small m, that is the mass of the ball, is 4 kilogram. Capital M is 22 kilogram. Friction we already know, it is 20 Newton. You solve it and we get the value as 228.6 rpm. Now what the question asks? The question asks to calculate the range, that is maximum speed minus minimum speed. So without friction, the range is 220 minus 195.6. the value is 24.4 rpm, and similarly with friction, maximum speed minus minimum speed, and you get the answer. Thank you.